How to handle small volume containers. Using a small container kit, the EMS viscometer can measure the viscosity of smaller volume samples. Prepare a soaking block and hook holder. Attach the soaking block to the hook holder. Place the soaking block at the base so that the protrusion of the soaking block fits into the groove of the sample container insertion port. Turn the hook holder counterclockwise to remove the soaking block, and then remove only the hook holder from the sample container insertion opening. Install the small container that has the sample and the spherical probe in the hook holder and insert it into the main body. The measurement is performed while the hook holder is inserted into the main body of the instrument. After the measurement, remove the small container containing the sample and the spherical probe from the insertion port and remove the small sample container. Insert the hook holder that does not have a small sample container attached. Turn the hook holder clockwise and connect it with the soaking block that has been inserted. Pull the hook holder straight up and pull out the soaking block. Now we have finished the series of the procedures for measuring methods of small volume containers.